Hello guys, in this video we will try duplicate detection. Service bus identifies that the two messages are duplicate if the message ID is same. For duplicate detection, service bus does not check the contents of the message. Okay. We are in Azure portal and I have created this new queue, that is test queue. Now I will try to send the message with same contents twice and we will see that service bus queue does not identify it as duplicate because we are not specifying the same message ID. Okay. So I will say send messages ABC, send it. Again I will say send messages and I will say ABC. Now I will say pick from start and you see we have two messages ABC. So even though the contents are same, but service bus queue did not identify it as a duplicate message. Now again I will send a message, say XYZ. Now I will expand this broker properties. I will go down and this time I will specify message ID as 123. So let's send it. Let's again send a message, again XYZ, broker properties, message ID 123 and send it. And now if I refresh it, pick from start, see guys, now with contents XYZ we have only one message because we have specified the same message ID in both the messages. Okay.